This video, I'll be showing you a profitable niche that is very high in demand, low in competition, that you can start publishing today to make up to $1,000 to $3,000 every month. And I'll also be showing you ordinary self-publishers like you and I that are making this amount every month selling this niche. If you're looking for a way to make passive income online, Amazon KDP is a good way to start. You don't need to have experience of writing any book. You can start with low content books and you can make as much as possible. I'll be prove to you that this niche I want to show you is profitable, low in competition and high in demand. And the book we'll be talking about today is my first coloring book for toddlers. To prove to you that this niche is profitable, high in demand, and low in competition, I'll base my analysis on 3 factors. One, I'll search this niche to see whether it will give me a search result of 1,000 or below, which tell me that there is competition on this niche, but it is not much. So if you give me anything such result of 1,000 and above, I will know that there is much competition. And as a beginner or as a new person, my book might not have opportunity of making it to the first page of Kindle store. Then the second factor I'll be considering is the niche score of 50 and above. This would tell me that people are writing on this book and that people are searching for this niche. The third factor I'll be considering is bestseller rank. So if this niche gives me bestseller rank of 300 or less, I will know that there is demand for this book, that people who have published this book are making sales. So I'll be searching for my first coloring book. I already did that. So my first coloring book for toddlers is giving a search result of 35,800, as you can see from here. So this it has already disqualified this particular niche. It's telling me that the competition here is too much. So if I publish this book, I might likely not record sales because many people have already published it and there are too many people that have published this particular niche. You can see independently published is 37. So I won't go further to check other factors because this particular factor has already disqualified this. It did not satisfy this first factor, so I won't go further to analyze other factors. Then what I will do here is to do what is called niche down. I'm going to niche down same topic, but I will niche it down to coloring book for toddlers 1 to 3 years. So I have to niche it down to see if I will see a niche that is less competitive. So as you can see, this is giving me a niche score of 1,078. So it has really come down and it's giving a niche score of 60 and above, which is very good. Remember I said if it gives me a niche score of 50 and above is okay. So it's already satisfying this, even though it's above 1,000, but it's not too much. I can still write on this particular niche because the competition here is not too much, just 1,078. So then I will check the third factor, which is bestseller rank. I will check the ones that are independently published on the first page of this Kindle store. Anyone that will give me to see the bestseller rank. So the bestseller rank of this is independently published. Bestseller rank is 4,184, independently published. Bestseller rank of 8,000. So you can see that these things are doing perfectly well. The people are searching for it and people are also buying. So if you write on this niche now, you're going to make great sales. So but because it's more than 1,000, I'm still going to niche it down to get the one that's within 1,000 or below to ensure that the competition is not too much. So I'm going to niche down. I will now write I will search for first creative coloring book for toddler 1 to 3. So as you can see, the search result has come down to 500. So from the niche score is 51 and it's 51, so it's good. So the first factor is satisfied, is less than 1,000. Second factor, need score of 50 and above, is satisfied. So I'll check for the third factor, which is bestseller ranks. I'll be checking for 1 or 2 or 3 books on the first page of Kindle store with a bestseller rank of 300 and below. That would tell me that there is sales for this book, that people are demanding for it. So I'll be searching for the ones that are independently published. This is independently published, and the bestseller rank is 131. This is good. So I also search for others. This is independently published. This is 61943. So as you can see, there is demand for this book. So I'll search for the third one. So this one is also independently published, which is 4,184. So I'll not be telling you how much these people are making every month. This is ordinary self-publishers, not a publishing company. So to check how much this person is making now, I'll take the bestseller rank of 4,184, and I'll go to KDP bestseller rank calculator to impute this 41,180, 4,000, 4,184. So I'll check 4,184, 4,184. So as you can see, this person is making is selling 50 copies per day, 1,500 copies per month, and is making 5,000, above $5,000 every month. So this is perfectly okay. So let's check this other person with bestseller rank of 131. This is bestseller rank of 131. So let's calculate it. 131. You can see how much this person is making, above $63,000 every month. So this is very profitable, high in demand, and low in competition. And if you publish this book, you're going to be making sales every single month. So we're going to be talking about how you can create this book to sell on Amazon. So to create this book, what you have to do is to head over to canva.com, click on create design, then you choose the templates, customize the size of your book. This is usually paperback, and the recommended width and height is usually 8.5 by 11. So before then, you have to choose the units as inches, then 8.5 by 11, then create a new design. Now you can do either with bleed or without bleed. If you're doing with, we are going to be doing with bleed. So I'm going to make another video, a detailed tutorial of how to generate your book size, interior, and everything, the paper size you need to create your coloring book. So we'll be doing with bleed. So I'll go ahead and upload my images. I've already downloaded these images from a platform called coloringbook.ai. This is a platform I use in generating my images for my coloring books. They have super quality images that you can use to create your coloring book, and it's super affordable. They have payment plan that is very affordable. So if you're interested in using this platform to generate your images, high quality images, you can check the link in my description to use this platform to generate your images. I've already generated, so I'm going to upload these images. I have my images uploaded. What I did was just to click on upload file from my system, and it's here already. So what I will do is to start creating my coloring book. So now that I have this template, I have to duplicate it, because this coloring book, I want it to be like 50 pages. I'll keep duplicating it to get to 50 pages. You can do that. Then you start designing the page. One can be title page. You can just use any design here too. So you can just walk around it. So this first page will be my title page. I can just choose any images that I have, any image I have here, just to put a design. You can just walk around this too. I'm just using this to show you how you can do it. So you can take your time to work on it and make it look perfect. So that you get to the edge. So this is just going to be my first page. Second page can be your title. This book belongs to. Put some heading. This book belongs to page. So you just format it. Just take your time to make it look fine. Then you can put a line. Beautiful. You can just do that to make it look fine. I can decide to put flower here. Just to make it look fine, and try to use this image to make it look unique. Something like that, but you can just walk around it, and if you have another image that is more plain, you can still do it. So the third page, you start designing your coloring book. Use this first image. Each one you are doing, so you extend the image to the edge of the book. So this is with bleed. So you keep working on it. Still do this. This is how you keep working, and then you can add the names to make yours very unique and different from others. You can add a name to each of the images. So that's how you keep creating it till you get to the 50th page. This is how you can create coloring books for kids. So when you're done doing this, what you do is to click on download, click on share, click on download, then click on choose PDF prints, then choose flatten PDF, then you will download it and you're done. So I don't want this video to be too long, so you can actually walk around it and make yours perfect. I'm going to make another video, full tutorial of how to create your book cover and everything else you need to perfect your design to publish it. This will be all for this particular niche. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, turn on notifications to know when I upload a new video about how to make passive income online, either through Amazon KDP or through other online sources. Thank you.